guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but I think you can tell by the title of this video and the thumbnail that I am not gonna unbox a Loungefly backpack as I usually do. I am gonna unbox a Prada bag. I can't believe I'm saying that. I know, it's crazy. How do I start? I am not one to spend money like this on something like this. I'm really not. Before I buy something, I really consider it. Do I really like it? Am I gonna use it? Am I gonna get my value's worth of it? I love traveling, so we try to make sure we're saving money for traveling. So this is definitely a splurge. And this video is not so much to show off or anything like that. It's just I'm so excited to get this. You have no idea how long I wanted a bag like this. You know, we grew up not so wealthy, kids of a teacher, so must I say enough. And I always saw this bag or something similar to this. I don't think it was this bag in particular, and I wanted it, and I knew I wanted it since I was younger, but just like thinking that a bag will cost more than $1,000 was crazy to me, because there was times where we just needed like $5, $10 for food, you know, so crazy. And now here I am years later with the bag. I will say I was saving a lot for this bag since I was 15. I started working. It's a long story. If you're like, I thought you can only work at 16. That's true, but long story. So I started working at 15. I got a credit card at 15. I got a debit card at 15. I started my financial life at 15. And I actually started saving all of my rewards for my credit card since I was 15 until now. And I've been saving and saving. I don't use those rewards. They go there. And I was saving for a Prada bag. And then on my birthday week, we were in California visiting my parents for the first time in forever. And we just happened to find a Prada outlet. And my husband's like, I think it's time. And I was like, I don't know. Because honestly, I don't know if the day would ever come. And he's like, no, it's time. And I was like, he's like, you're done. Fun fact, I have 4 degrees. I finally finished all 4. I'm not going to school right now. Like, I finally took a break. I have no student loans like that. Like, I finally got that taken care of. So he just said it's time to celebrate. It's time. And I was like, all right. So we went into the store and I found one and I bought it. And here it is. Let's unbox it. I'm sorry for talking your ear off for 4 minutes. So it comes in a dust bag. Yes, it's this small. When we got back to my parents' house and I was like, I got the bag, Mom. Like, because I had told my mom about this bag since ever. And I took it out of the bag. They were like, how much was it for that size? And I was like, I know. I know. So here's the bag, smaller than that bag. It has a little duster. And then I'm going to take it out of the duster. And this is what it looks like. Here's the reveal. It says Prada on the top. And it's just a black bag. Like shoulder bag or a crossbody, I guess I should say. Isn't she beautiful? you're probably, if you're not a bag person, you're probably like, girl, I could have used that money for someone. I know, but it was like a life goal of mine to like get to this point, you know. And I don't know how to explain it. So here it is. I'm gonna take off the paper and then I'll come back and show you the bag. Okay. So I turned my ring light down so you can like fully appreciate the bag. But here is the Prada logo. You can see the lining of the bag. It has a silver chain, which is interesting because I like my jewelry to be silver. But in bags, I don't care. So it's a silver or a gold chain, sorry. It does have this little like strap so you can put in your arm. It is quite short. It does go to my hip, I would say. So I probably will use it as a shoulder bag more than a crossbody, but maybe not. Maybe I'll like the high look. It has a magnetic button clasp. I really like how this has a interesting smell. So I really like how this looks. It's like a curved surface, and then it's just a bag. Like, it does have the Prada lining all throughout it. This is a pocket, so you can put your wallet or whatever you're gonna need in here. And it's quite spacious. It'll fit my iPhone, no problem. And then, you know, anything else that I need. But this is it. This is my over $1,000 bag. Can you believe it? Young me cannot. She really can't. So that's this, and then it came obviously with like just the Prada information, and then the authentication certificate that I'm gonna keep. How beautiful is this? So yeah, that's it. That's my Prada unboxing. I just thought I would bring you along with it. I know it has nothing to do with Disney, but it's a big milestone for me, so I wanted to share it with you. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. If you have higher end things, how do you get over the wear and tear? Because that's what I'm afraid of. I'm like, do I wear this just on special occasions, or do I just use it? Because I spent money on it, so I might as well use it. So I don't know what the logic is there. I know resell, some bags resell for good money, but I don't think I'll ever resell this one because it's gonna be my first, and for a while my only higher end bag. But can you tell I love it? But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what items do you spend your money on, or what item are you waiting or saving for? I don't know what I'm gonna be saving for next. This was like my big goal. I don't know what my next big goal is. Maybe like a travel experience, but I don't know. Maybe the Maldives. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Okay. Don't forget to click the bell so you know when my next videos come out. Right now they're coming out every Wednesday and Saturday, and like I said, I usually do anything Disney, but I also do a lot of hauls. Until next time, adios.